Morning all. Today I am going to start a new poem, that is The Unknown Citizen by W.H. Auden. So before telling you anything about the poem, let's start with the introduction with W.H. Auden. Weishaupt Auden was born in York on Feb 21, 1907, and he was educated at Gresham School Hall, Christchurch. He was with the GPO film unit from 1935 to 1936. In 1936, he came to America and took out the citizenship papers. Auden belongs to Oxford group of poets, which include Day Lewis, Macnish, Auden and Spender. It is because of their common identity in extra literary activities they are considered as a group. So Auden was the leader of Oxford group. There are two literary cases in his life. Auden in his 30s and in his 40s are two vastly different men. At 33, he has written and compiled 4 books of poetry, 3 plays, a collection of prose, fiction, 2 books of travel and 2 anthologies. So, his creative period is more than of 50 years. He was closely associated with T.S. Eliot, and all of you know T.S. Eliot. Like him, he was also a science graduate. He did some deep studies in engineering, mining and geology. So, in his early phase of his poetic career, he was much influenced by Marx and Freud and has a secular output. But in his second phase of poetic career, he devoted to Christian ideals. So in his first phase of career, he was more of influenced of psychologists like Freud and Marx, who is a communist. So he is writing more about individualities and people and masses and all. And in his second phase, he has been influenced by Christian faith and Christian ideas. So he is writing like this. His former guides like Marx and Freud were changed into Kierkegaard and Niebuhr. His poetic works are poems 1928 Summer, poems 18 September 1930, The Orator, The Dog Beneath the Skin, The Ascent of F6, Look Stranger, Spain, Letter from Iceland. These are his poetic work. So let's start with the line-wise summary of the poem, and after that I will discuss the theme. First, you yourself judge the poem. Poem is very easy. Then we will get to a discussion and theme and structure of this poem. So, it is a poem by W.H. Auden where he is saying that he was found by Bureau of Statistics as to be one against whom there was no official complaint, and all the reports on his conduct agree that in the modern sense of an old-fashioned world he was a saint. For in everything he did, he served the greater community. So he is here talking about a man who is dead now, and from the bureaucrats and from the papers and from the records of the citizenship, we have come to know that this man has possessed some gentle qualities that the poet has sketched the character of an unknown citizen in whom he has found the good qualities of a gentleman. The poet is a social writer, and he knows that in the society a man should always have a balanced quality if he wants to lead a simple and good life. So he is promoting here simple and good life of a man who is dead now, and from the bureaucrats and from the papers and records in the government, you came to know that he is a man with balanced qualities. If he wants to, and here he is saying so to tell you what are the essentialities and what are the criteria for being a gentleman in the modern society. But at the end of the poem, you will get into a different perspective. So first of all, what are the he is somewhat discussing here what are the qualities of a gentleman in a society, in the modern society. It is somewhat like a satirical poem also, because at the end of it has mixed into a tone of satire to the modern society. To please try to take it like this. The poet is a social writer, and he knows that in the society a man should have a balanced quality if he wants to lead a simple and good life. He finds the quality of a gentleman in an unknown citizen. He has not given any name to this gentle person, but he has mentioned that JS as the short name of this man. He has mentioned him as JS. So the explanation is that he has number of good qualities. Here is a good public servant, and he is a very good public servant, and there is no official complaint against him. His seniors were very much pleased and happy with him. There is nobody in his department who does not like him. His behavior and gentle words, whose behavior? This unknown citizen's behavior, and gentle words reports of his good character and behavior. He believes in traditional values of his life, but he was also a man of modern views. His views are also modern. He is discussing here. In this way, he was a man of behavior with old and new thoughts, which makes the best of a present civilization. He is saying that the present civilization demands the mixture of old and the new traits, the mixture of old and the new. So he is believed that he is the best man of the best character possessed by a modern person or modern society. So there is no then we come to this. In this way, he is a man of behavior with old and new thoughts, and he made the best of present society. People used to call him a saint because while he was leading his life, family life, he is having a quality of saints. Like, he serves the public also with his best means and efforts. He tries to help public. In fact, he was the real public servant of the greater community. If you want to get into the definition of public servant, who is a public servant? Those who teach in a office or etc., or those who help or work for public. So he's saying that he is the real public servant of the greater community. He believes in the motto service above self. So खुद से बढ़कर सर्विस देना. He believes in the motto of that give service above self. So here he is Auden is behaving like a social scientist. He believes in secular religion. One thing about Auden is that he believes in the secular religion. He doesn't believe in any one religion at this moment of time. So in the character of the unknown citizen, he finds the best quality of a social worker. Thus, through his character, he puts before us qualities of good man. Thus, we find that Auden is certainly the best poet amongst the rising generation of English poets. So, going further with the second stanza, I would like to read further. Except for the war till the day he retired, he worked in a factory and never got tired. So he never got tired after in the work of factory. He always worked in a very enthusiastic manner, but satisfied his employer, Fudge Motor include. Yet he wasn't a scrap or odd in his view. For his union reports that he paid his dues. A report on his union show it was sound, and a social psychological worker found that he was a popular with his mates and linked drink. So these lines here is saying that he believes that to such society, downtrodden people is the best service to God. So he is serving the downtrodden people, the people who are poor, who actually needs the help. In this way, his character is that he believes in the humanity, the quality of human beings. He is married man with a wife and children. He has 5 children, and wife, that 5 is the right number to have as a child, as children in that society. He is the best servant of the society, but he is also very sincere in his official duties. His seniors were very pleased with him. His officers were never written any report or bad thing about him. His CR is very good. His character report is very good. Though he is a family man, he has the quality of a saint. So you can consider him as a saint, though he is a family man, because he used to help people. So Auden here is saying that he believes in and you can find out that Auden is believing in the religion of God, that is humanity. He is not believing in the religion of people, that is any Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai types. He is a secular person. The person lines which are a part of the poem, he is saying that he possesses the quality of a man, a saint. The citizen belongs to the greater community and he is saying that he always serves to downtrodden people. He always fights for we can never he is never reported as being a fighter for anything, or being a diplomatic person, or being a very troublesome person. The citizen belongs to and he never neglects his duty. He hated war, hater of war. He was a hater of war. He thought that the war is unnatural. It is raised by the selfish politicians, and therefore he never favored war. But he was a good soldier to fight against the injustice which is done against the poor and the downtrodden people. He was a factory worker till he retired for the factory. He never neglected his job. He was very sincere in his duties. He always satisfied his employer with his work and honesty. He was a man of progressive thoughts, modern views. He was also a member of his union, used to pay his dues in time. He was a social psychologist, means he used to listen to pains of others. He behaves like a counselor. He behaves like a empathetic person. He was very popular among his friends. Who is popular among his friends? Who is an empathetic person? कौन दोस्तों में मशहूर होता है? जो empathetic person होता है, जो एक दूसरे का पेन सुनता है, उसको समझता है, उसको समझाता है. He was a cheerful man and used to share in the fellowship with them. He used to take drink, but in a very limited quality. He drinks alcohol, but in a very limited quantity. He is a social drinker, you can say. According to the poet, he is an idol of a good citizen. So he is saying that he is an idol of the good citizen. Now in para 3, the press has convinced that he bought a paper every day. He always used to take a newspaper, and that his reaction to advertisement were normal in his everyday life. He is always very normal towards the advertisement, like a modern man should. He never goes against to any advertisement that this is wrong, this is right. He used to buy things advertised in those advertisements. Policy taken out his name proved that he was fully insured, and he believes in the insurance services, so he has taken policies to insure his future. And his health card shows he was once in a hospital but left it cured, and he has a very moderate type of health. He was once taken to the hospital for some illness, but he discharged as a cured person. Both producer, researcher and high-grade living declared he was fully sensible to the advantage of the installment plans. He always gave his installments in time. He was a responsible person and had everything necessary to the modern man. He is having every quality of a modern man, which has considered a person the eligible person for the modern life. He is having every qualities and every balanced qualities of the modern man. But here the satire came and had everything necessary to the modern man: a gramophone, a radio, a car, a fridge, that is fridge. So here he is saying that he is a sincere worker in his factory. His officers has no complaint against him. He believes in the old values of life but also adopts good inventions of the modern life. Thus his character is synthesis of the old and the new. He is a good mixture and a balance of old and the new. He is social worker, but he does not neglect his family duties. He always believes in the unity and pays his dues in time. In a way, he is a very social saint. He is typed like a social saint. He is also popular for his good nature and cheerful behavior among his mates. He shares drinks with them and leads a life of a good citizen, and good education spent on the morning time. He has received good education, and he spent his time reading newspaper every day. He always take it in a moderate way. Whenever he is reading any advertisement, he never get aggressive or never get disagreed or anything. He thinks that the newspaper is best friend of a man. He is surprised when the event and happening of his country as well as the distant land of the world. He is often surprised. He always used to read the different type of advertisement in the paper. He thinks that they are also helpful for him. In the newspaper, he takes interest in the columns on policies of government. He also believes in insurance policies, and as I have said that he has insured himself. He uses health cards also. He went to hospital once and he never come, and he can come as a cured person. So, and the producer of Research and High Grade Living declared that he was fully sensible and advantage of installment pays. Wherever he has taken loans, etc., he always pays his installments on time. And for recreation, he has a gramophone and radio and a car and a fridge. And you can say that he is a modern man with no modern thoughts, and he always does whatever he is believed to do. In the next paragraph, stanza 4, our researcher, the same lines, our researchers in public opinion are content that he held the proper opinion of time of the year. Where there was peace, he was for peace, and where there was war, he went for war. He had married and added 5 children to the population, which Aeginus says that the right number for the parents of his generation. And our teachers report they never interfered with their education. Was he free? Was he happy? The question is absurd. Has anything been wrong? He should certainly have heard. Here, the research says that he has public opinion. Whatever public opinion he holds is the latest of the time. He is with the time updated. Where there was peace, whenever there was peace, he always promoted peace, and whenever there is a time of war, he promoted war. But he was not in favor of war. And he has a married man. He is a married man. He is having social responsibility and family responsibility, like 5 children. Of the population, he added 5 children. And according to the Aegists are the people who are culture and human development officers. They say that this is the right number of the population, or children he has added to the population. And our teachers report that he has never interfered with their education system of their children. Never went to school and asked that why you are doing this and that. He never asked. He is he's having very much faith in his education system. But here this Auden is asking, was he free? Was he happy? The question is absurd. Had anything been wrong, what should certainly not have had? What should certainly have heard? So he is asking in the end, was he happy? What does it mean? So was he happy? Here Auden is saying that this modern society has made us so much robotic. They have given us the criteria of being a good citizen. So we behave in a way like a good citizen should. So there is nothing like that we are behaving in a way that we want to behave. We are behaving according to the set characteristics of a modern society. There is nothing wrong in this, but Auden is saying that he is not free. He is not free. He is not. There is nothing written about how he feels about his freedom or how he feels about his happiness. There is nothing like saying that he is a very happy man or that he is a very free man. He is a man of his own will. He is just doing what his society is demanding him to do. He is just going through the conformity. He is just conforming to the norms of the society. He is not conforming to his own thoughts. He is conforming to the norms of the society. So when we go to the themes and talk about this, we will see that he is just conforming to the norms of the society, and the question still arises that is a modern man happy? Is a modern man free? So if we want to discuss about the theme of this, you can say that the oppression, surveillance and the state is the theme of this. The Unknown Citizen is a parody of an elegy. A poem of commemorates someone who has recently died. So he is writing it as an elegy, and the elegy is delivered by the state, by the government. The government is telling us all about this, rather by a loving friend or a family member. We are not getting to know about this person as a by some family member. We are getting to know about this person by government. Though this, the poem pokes fun at the implicity, criticize the modern world for granting too many far-reaching power to states, showing how the state oppresses those unlucky enough to live within this traps. So here state is doing this, that the state is making people making people a pet in his hand. They are giving us the set criteria to behave, and we are behaving in the same way. The title is thus ironic, as there is a little to say that the state doesn't know about the citizen, doesn't know what's the name even, but the person has lived the life in the accommodation or in the preference of the state. State is so much arrogant that, or so much ignorant with the name also, that they have written it as the unknown citizen. He is not even known to the state, but still he is living the life which a state wants him to live. Though on the surface the poem is praising the life of a dead unknown citizen, it is only does so because this person lives a textbook life. He lives like a very obedient and non-questioning life. In the poem's world, a good citizen is one who does everything they are supposed to do. Indeed, that is why the speaker, the creepy V of the poem, begins by offering that it is probably the highest compliment in this dystopia. So he is here telling us that this modern world is a dystopia also. This modern world is a dystopia. Nobody is happy in this world. This dystopia is opposite to the utopia, that is an unhappy state or not free state. There was no official complaints against the dead man. According to Bureau of Statistics, in other words, he never did anything wrong. If he had, the state would have certainly punished him or done something against him. But he still, in his frightening tone or in his frightening reach, he has lived a life which a modern society or government want or demands him to do. The point to one of the poem's main criticism of the state is that it is overreaching surveillance. The state is overreaching. So state is having an over interference in the life of the citizens. He is targeting here this. The Auden is targeting that the state is having an over hand in the life of the people or life of the citizens who remains unknown for them, and they even deny the introduction to the citizens, but still citizens are living the life which they want. Or according to the state encroach on every aspect of the dead man's life. Indeed, the poem reads pretty much the list of the ways that a state can violate its citizens' freedom. So he is commenting on the techniques where the state is violating the citizens' freedom and not giving them the approval of even being a known man. He is giving the unknown man. So the title is also very important and the theme is also very important. You can see in the poem that the state has written the title as unknown citizen. The citizen who has lived the life on their criteria is still the unknown one. And this is the standardization and conformity, and the theme is standardization and conformity. Very closely you can see that he wants to live the standard life and conform to the norms of the society, the modern life. And you can write a few points from here that he do what is supposed to do. He is a high grade living person. Social psychology department says that, and he has 5 kids, which is the appropriate and the best number for having kids by eugenist. And he has paid all his installment, maybe because of the fear of the government or maybe because he is a very responsible person, you never know. So Here go into an insight of its read it as to enjoy, and read it as with an ironical tone also. You can find lots many things which will comment on the modern society or the modernism. Thank you very much. I hope it is understandable.